Today we're going to be making a pumpkin pie. So I have two brushes. One is a slightly smaller brush. That's going to be for my crust color. I customized this color to get this tan crust. I'm going to go about halfway on this textured part. I'm going to wipe back and forth so I get into all the grooves. I don't want any white spaces. Go all the way around. I'm going to hold the inside of the plate so my hands don't get dirty. Again, kind of massaging that brush to get in the grooves. I'll look through, cover any spots that might need going over again. After I'm done with that brush, I'll put it away. I'll grab my bigger brush, and then I'm going to paint the pumpkin filling part. As you can see, I flattened my brush. It's fully loaded. When it ran out, I flipped it over. I'm going to go back for more, holding the inside of my plate, going around, going over again to get inside those grooves. If it mixes a little bit with the crust, that's okay. Then I'm going to hold it carefully, and I'm going to paint the inside. I'm going to try to grab that hair on the brush. And I'll just kind of repeat that step until there's no white spaces. I'm going to see if the crust is kind of even. Looks like I can go up a little bit more. Doesn't need to be perfect, but might as well try. Okay, so then I have my crust, my pie filling, and I could go back and perfect that more, but I think it's fine the way it is. After that, I still see some lighter areas. After that, I'm going to lay out my strips. I have a 1/4 inch brown strips, and I laid them out the way I'm going to put them on my pie. So I'm going to open my drizzly glue by twisting the orange part. Then I'm going to shake it downwards and put a line of glue. I did the other ones just for the sake of time of the video. But I don't need to overload it because already that paint is going to help with the sticking. To start, I have 5 vertical, so I'm going to pick up my middle one, find the middle of my plate, lay it down, and yes, your hands might get a little dirty, but that's okay. Okay, I'm just laying it all the way across. Once I got the middle, I'm just working from the inside out. Okay, and then you'll notice it comes over the line, the pie area, and that's okay. We'll trim that at the very end. Okay, now same thing. When I do my horizontal pieces, I'm going to take the middle, find the middle of the pie, lay it down, work from the inside out. Oh, this is looking good. Ooh, got stuck in the paint. Here we go. This is looking really good. And you could probably do one more. I have extras, but I think it's okay. It would look pretty good with one more too. Okay, after I have the pie crust and filling, and now the extra layer on top, I'm going to put the whipped cream. So I just put a dollop of glue And then I place it where I want. I'm just going in the center. Okay, last step. Take my scissors, and some of them might need shifted. That one in the middle fits perfectly. The other ones, I just find the edge of the plate and I trim it off. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Okay, there you have it. My pumpkin pie just in time for Thanksgiving. Hope you enjoyed.